people who come here as hired guns.
Oba bari omukutiisa okwerizoba Parliament ihanga Minister Beatrice Anywa kandi oli Minister w'ihanga w'amwizi n'obuhangwa bw'ensi yagambira Parliament ngo abakazi nibamara obwire bulingwa bari omukwekoraho ngu kikabire kirungi babateraho saluni ekabayamba okwekoraho rero bakagaruka omwishengyero.
A new building, probably for the sake of ladies, we could have a salon also established. Why? Yes, listen, my brother, my colleagues. Because when you go in the gym, you go in the gym, the ladies, I'm talking because I'm a lady, you look at us as we are because we take time for ourselves, to prepare ourselves. Now, and one of them is myself and my hair and whatever and my nails, that is part of a woman. Therefore, Right Honorable Speaker, what I'm saying is that if you created such
it's not part of a woman because I don't have long hair and I'm a woman. So it is a part of other women, not everybody.
Bitu na bwanyuma Abanyishengyerokazi ahabwa Mbale County yagira ngo henjenderwaho y'ishengyero neyoleka ebyo mukazi aine kujwara yabanayija okucika omwishengyero ngo tikiri kwetagisa kutekaho saluni.
Provisions are there in given under personal privileges, not as would be provided by this house. Is it procedurally right for the honorable member to come and claim for other provisions in line of making good health beside what is not prescribed in the rules of procedure?
Thank you. What I'm really saying is that if we had it, women, the ladies could come even earlier, spend more time in the gym, knowing that they will rush and clear up and then rush into the house. You shorten the time when they're outside the Parliament. I thank you.
Tunabwanyuma Speaker w'ishengyero yagira ngo Parliament eriyo neyombekwa nibija kureba ngo harimu buri kimwe.
We can have a salon, we can have everything. In the new building, by the way, you'll have everything. Just be rest assured.